Welcome to our deep dive into the final chapters of 1 Corinthians, a letter packed with intriguing insights and teachings. These chapters, 11 to 16, are full of wisdom and guidelines that resonate even today. Let's unravel the key themes and ideas that Apostle Paul shared with the Corinthians. We begin with chapter 11, where Paul talks about traditions and communal practices. He emphasizes the importance of honoring God during worship and introduces instructions for the Lord's Supper. In verse 11:28, Paul advises everyone ought to examine themselves before they eat of the bread and drink from the cup. This self-examination theme is crucial for genuine worship. Chapter 12 delves into spiritual gifts. Paul passionately describes the church as one body with many parts, each playing a crucial role. Verse 12:12 states, "Just as a body, though one, has many parts, but all its many parts form one body, so it is with Christ." This metaphor underscores unity and diversity within the community. Moving to chapter 13, known famously as the love chapter, Paul illustrates love's paramount importance. In verse 13:13, we read, "And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love." Love is portrayed as the highest virtue, essential above all gifts and knowledge.
In chapter 14, Paul shifts to orderly worship, focusing on prophecy and speaking in tongues. Here he highlights edifying the church. Verse 14-12 says, "Since you are eager for gifts of the Spirit, try to excel in those that build up the church." Clarity and order are emphasized for constructive worship.
Chapter 15 addresses the resurrection of Christ and its significance. Paul reassures in verse 15-17, "If Christ has not been raised, your faith is futile. You are still in your sins." His conviction and resurrection as the foundation of Christian faith is crucial here. Finally, chapter 16 deals with practical instructions and personal greetings. Paul reminds the Corinthians to stand firm in faith and love. Verse 16-14 urges, "Do everything in love." It's a fitting conclusion to his insightful teachings. These chapters guide the Corinthians and us toward a life embodying faith, love, and community. As we conclude, we see how Paul's teachings continue to inspire and challenge believers, urging them to live harmonious, love-centered lives. Join us next time for another enlightening exploration of biblical wisdom.